Guys, good morning. What's happening? I am up and out of bed. I've raced. You've hopefully seen some footage. My dad got, he was filming this morning. Tough race. I feel I let myself just down a little bit because I came 5th overall in that race, which I'm pretty happy with the training that I've done. And then I came 4th overall for the series, and I kind of just didn't have the camera on at that point, which I should have, and that's just my bad and in my part. But guys, if you want to go and have a look at my ride, it's up on Strava. You can go have a look at that, because I think I ended up with like 116 Ks this morning by the time I got home, which is fantastic. 3 hours 45. I'm now gonna go and jump into a shower because it's stinking hot. I'm finally getting out of the house today. Once I got home from the race, I just spent a bit of time editing, getting a few things done at home, and then just chilling out and relaxing. Like I said just then, for you guys, it was like a couple of hours ago for me. Did 116 Ks this morning. The leg's a little bit sore and tired, but it's right. I'm feeling pretty strong. I'm ducking out now. I'm gonna go catch up with some people, shoot some time lapses. I don't know, more chilling out, more nice time. I'm not 100% sure where these guys are. They said find a train line. There's one there. And then like drive down it or something. Except that's what I'm looking at. And what if a train comes? I'm not driving down here, so I'm just gonna wander on down, mosey on down, waddle along. See if I can find out where Poppy and Grace are. Still walking along here. Train line behind me is just as long as, oh, I may have found it. I thought I could hear them before, but I wasn't too sure. I can hear them. I think I've made it. Grabbing a few kind of quick time lapses on a bridge that I don't think's very right for trains. But anyway, I'm here with...
That's why trains don't go over it.
I think they do.
I was joking.
I'm here with Poppy, Grace, and Aaliyah, and... You're so mean, Poppy.
Hi, how you doing? How you going? Hi, everybody.
I think they're going great. Yeah. Bro. Leaving the scary bridge behind me. I made it home. I actually came home earlier, but like as soon as I had gotten home, Mum made me run some errands, so like I was off doing that. She's there just making something quick to eat. I'm just gonna chill out for a little bit. We're having a really nice dinner. I love when she makes this, so I'm super keen for that. I need to fuel up again. I said last week I wanted to ride every single day, and that just didn't happen. We can try and make it happen this week. Apparently dinner's ready. Hydrating for Sean. I wanted something cold, and I was just really over soft drink. When like these vlogs really first started, and then all through most of this year, my diet was really good. Now this isn't good, but I've I've kind of gone off the rails a little bit, and I really want to try and pull it back. So I'm going to make a concerted effort. I hope that's the word, to try and pull that back and get it as strict and as good as I thought it would. I thought it should be. Whoops. There's a couple of tomatoes. I don't really like tomatoes, but the rest was really good. I am dead, exhausted, tired. I had someone ask me today, they asked me how far I rode this morning, and I told them, they're like, aren't you sore? And I was like, no, not sore at all, but like, I just don't get sore from riding. I just get tired and exhausted. So I'm gonna take off to bed. It's early. I'm trying to get myself into a better sleep routine and try and flip my diet around a little bit. Get eating healthier a bit more. Hopefully that's sort of my goal at the moment. Yeah, that's it for now. I'll see you all tomorrow. I feel like this was a shorter vlog, but I don't know until I edit. The main focus was on the race this morning. I enjoyed it. I had fun. I'll see you all tomorrow. Don't forget, if you want to go big, dream big.